Tell me everything you know.
I didn't do anything. Today we're learning how to ask for more information about the past.
Come on, Mr. Jones. You know more than you're telling me. Where were you on the night of June 12th?
June 12th, I was at home, I was alone, and I was watching TV.
Aha, sure. And what did you do after that?
Nothing, I swear.
What can you tell me?
What I can tell you is how to use WH words to make questions.
What do you mean?
Let me show you. If you want to get more information about the past, you can use this structure. WH question word plus did plus the subject plus the infinitive or basic verb. Or if you're using the verb be, you use the question word plus was or were plus the subject. So, for example, what did you do? Or where were you?
Now, what did you mean by WH question word?
Another good question. I mean words like who, what, where, when, why, and how.
Okay. And what did you say about that infinitive?
Well, the infinitive is just the basic verb like do, go, see, steal.
So I don't need to change the verb after did and the subject?
No, don't change that. Just keep it did.
Okay, mister. Answer this question. What did we learn today?
Well, you're getting great at these WH questions. We learned how to ask for more information about the past using WH questions.
Okay, but I have just one more question for you.
Sure.
Where are the diamonds?
The diamonds are over there.
Really? I don't see them anywhere. Where did they go? Hey!
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.